Time to clean up, time to start. Let's make this room shiny again.
Blocks and puzzles, dolls and bears.
Thanks for tidying me. Let's all help and split the chores. We make a great team.
Cleaning up is quick to do. Working together, me and you.
Almost done.
Pick up crayons from the floor, put them in the box once more.
Back home I
Let's go back upon the shelf, nice and neat, just like an elf.
Nice and tidy. Sweeping here and wiping there. Swish, swish.
We can clean up everywhere. Look how tidy everything is. Clean up, everybody do your share. We're doing